Are you looking to expand your contact list, your donor base? Then you landed in the right video. Today, I'm going to give you the tools and the training and the templates in this video right here, right now. Hi, I'm Alejo, and I've been in the ministry for 12 years. And in my experience, both mission work and even in the church, I've been a pastor for quite a while. And we always have this experience of raising a money for a good cause. And now we are leading another nonprofit called Kingdom Legacy Ministries. And I want to help you with the technology side, because technology is great things, it's great tools to use to collect all of the information with the permission of people, that actually people want to give you their phone number, their email address, their physical address, because they trust you, and you just need to have that platform. And then I can give you right now, I can give you this platform and templates. So stay tuned. 80% of the population globally use the cell phone. So your site, your link, or your newsletter would have to be mobile responsive, because only 20% use the desktop. They might use desktop during work, but during the rest time, relaxing time, they use cell phone, scroll onto social media. So this is the bubbles of your social media. So this is Facebook, and this is the Twitter, and this is the Instagram. And so this bubble is called social media. People use the social media. But how can you funnel it to where people can actually enter their phone number, their address, their information? Then you have to create a link. So you have to have like a special link. Now in this video, I'm going to give you the tools. So you're creating here a link, which is, I call it a funnel. So inside the funnel, you have to point people in order for you to get that contact list. Okay? And so no matter where they live, no matter where they are at in the globe, you can still get connected with them, and with their permission as well, to send them email about your ministry, because you're doing great things with your ministry. So continue doing that, and I want you to get help with your getting that connection through them. So you create cold funnel. So inside this funnel is your short video. So inside of that is 60 seconds quick video about your ministry. And in that is you can collect names, email address, phone number. Okay? So you get the info. And then here's the button right here that would send them to the next funnel. It's a donation. So in this donation button is you have the amount, whether monthly or yearly or quarterly donation, and it would give them a question. Then here, the third part is the thank you page. What I mean by thank you page is not a generic. I don't mean generic like, hey friends, thank you for your donation, or thank you for your contact information. No, this thank you page is actually give you the customization of personalizing it. Like for instance, it would say, Thank you, Dennis, for the gift of how much, the amount. And then it actually send this a copy email to the donors, so they have an instant connection or link directly once they sign up. Now, and this email here would go to your called donor base or a database. So you have now a from here you are now funneling people that can see what you do in a quick 60 seconds, and then they want to ask you more, what do you do? And then once this is here, the follow-up, since you have now the email address, now it's easy for you to send your monthly donation, and you want them to encourage to share that link to their social media network. And this is cost a lot of money by just going to the company. But here, right now, if you sign up right here, right now, if you sign up on that link, we will provide you with the hosting. So we will provide you with the hosting. We will provide you with the templates. And then we will provide you with the video training. So here, you don't have to be a technical person to do this stuff. We provide hosting, we provide templates, we provide even the training for you one-on-one with my team, so that we can help you build your missionary funnel to the people, so that you can get lead or you can get information from people. And this is what I have trouble before, because I've been doing mission for 7 years now. And what I did with the emails is I sent them as a report, or whatever I do, it will always go to the spam box. But then this one is actually give you a permission to send them email. It will give them a connection to commit one of your project and stuff like that. So what I want you to do right now is get the link below, and we will see you in the other side. Thank you.